Hi girls, I'm sitting out on the front veranda at school making this, so if you hear some tweeting birds or cars going by, don't get nervous. So this is 3B, adding and subtracting surds. Surds are very similar to like terms, so let's just go over here and remember that when we had like terms, same variable, I could combine the numbers in front. So 2 minus 5 is negative 3x, and it stayed in x, and then the y's were different, maybe I'll circle it with the sign, so plus 11y. So everybody remembered how to do that. So for instance, these, I go, okay, these both have a root 3. So I can combine the numbers just in front and keep the root 3 as the like term. So I get negative 3 root 3. And then here's these, same, plus 11 root 5. So really easy, just like terms. Okay, so like surds can be added and subtracted. And there are going to be different rules for multiplication and division. You must simplify all surds in a problem before you can add and subtract. So for instance, you might get a problem that says something like root 50 plus 4 root 2. Okay? And root 50 can be simplified because it's root 25 times root 2. So when I write this out, I write, remember that's the 5. 5, can't simplify that, root 2 plus 4 root 2, and then I can add them because I have like terms then. Okay, get the idea? Great. Okay, so let's just quickly go through these examples. I'm going to go fast. What I'd really love for you to do right now is try these two in example 1, pause and try them, and then come back and see if you got the right answers. So for A, I just combine the ones in front, and I get 6 root 3. And for B, I look for anything that's got a root 6. So that's going to be 1 root 6. And I can write 1 root 6 or just root 6, same as if it was an x. And then the root 2's I combine plus 5 root 2. Okay? How about this? Simplify these surds. Let's see. Pause and try them, and then go back. I left some room down here because I knew these would take a little bit more work. So 5 root 2 is already simplified, and 8 is the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. So that's 5 root 2 minus, remember that's 2. I can't do anything to the root 2, so I leave it. So that's 3 root 2. Okay, B. I might start B over here. I know it's confusing, but that's my B, so I have enough room. So I go 2 root 5 minus 3, let's see, 20 is root 4 times root 5 plus 6 times root 9 times root 5. Okay. All right, so that's 2 root 5 minus, when I get root 4 as being 2, I do 2 times 3, so that's 6 root 5 plus the square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18 root 5. And these are all like terms. So 2 minus 6 is negative 4, so I get equals to 14 root 5. Okay, great. So for 3B, you're going to do every second, 2, every second one, 3, all of them, 5 to 8. I would love it if you could do all those problems. I don't know what your work commitments are and how much homework you're getting from teachers, but if you can do all of 5 to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, all parts, that would be wonderful, or do what you can. Then 9 and 10, every second one. Okay, cool. That's it for 3B.